Civil Code, Article 2244. With reference to other property, real and personal, of the debtor, the following claims or credits shall be preferred in the order named. 1. Proper funeral expenses for the debtor, or children under his or her parental authority who have no property of their own, when approved by the court. 2. Credits for services rendered the insolvent by employees, laborers, or household helpers for 1 year preceding the commencement of the proceedings in insolvency. 3. Expenses during the last illness of the debtor or of his or her spouse and children under his or her parental authority, if they have no property of their own. 4. Compensation due the laborers or their dependents under laws providing for indemnity for damages in cases of labor accident, or illness resulting from the nature of the employment. 5. Credits and advancements made to the debtor for support of himself or herself, and family, during the last year preceding the insolvency. 6. Support during the insolvency proceedings, and for 3 months thereafter. 7. Fines and civil indemnification arising from a criminal offense. 8. Legal expenses, and expenses incurred in the administration of the insolvent's estate for the common interest of the creditors, when properly authorized and approved by the court. 9. Taxes and assessments due the national government, other than those mentioned in Articles 2241, number 1, and 2242, number 1. 10. Taxes and assessments due any province, other than those referred to in Articles 2241, number 1, and 2242, number 1. 11. Taxes and assessments due any city or municipality, other than those indicated in Articles 2241, number 1, and 2242, number 1. 12. Damages for death or personal injuries caused by a quasi-delict. 13. Gifts due to public and private institutions of charity or beneficence. 14. Credits which, without special privilege, appear in a public instrument, or b. in a final judgment, if they have been the subject of litigation. These credits shall have preference among themselves in the order of priority of the dates of the instruments and of the judgments, respectively.
This is Legal Philippines.